Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm going to try to show you my brand new guppies I got yesterday. I hope you enjoy them. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Here are a couple of my little things in my room, and my little turtle, and my rock with some gold, and my little turtles, and my seahorse, and some of my little collections up here, and these are my new little fancy guppies. I got a cobra right here, and this is one of my older ones, my yellow one, and here's my blue endler. I got two cobras in here, and then my gold nugget Molly and my my gold nugget Molly, my blue platy, and a Panda Molly in here. It's a boy, so he might be able to mate with my gold nugget. And this is my snails, along with my new plant here, my rotatilia. Right here I put my white lace and java fern. That's my white platinum guppy back here. And I still have my peacock, and everything is doing really well, but she comes out at different times. And right here, see if I can zoom in. There's one of our little babies. They're doing really well. And they're really fast. I think I have 8 in here. And here's one right here. A little tiny baby. A little blurry, hard to see, but that's one, A little tiny baby swimming. So they're all doing pretty good. I think I have 8. And then my cobras, you saw one, they're probably hiding now, So everybody's doing real good, along with my peacock ciclet, and I fed them this morning. So I hope you enjoy them all as much as I do. Another shot of the little baby fry there. They like to hide in the new stuff I got. Alright, I love you all. Try to do more updates of maybe I'll catch Dory, my peacock, for you. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.